I would now request our Honorable Chairman Sir, Shri P.K. Rath Sir, onto the dais. We have our Honorable CMD Sir here on the dais, CVO Sir, Director Personnel Sir, Director Operations Sir, Director Project Sir. Welcome. One extra chair. One extra chair.
On the dais, my colleague directors, the independent director, Ma'am Sita Sinha, Chief Vigilance Officer, and off the dais, executive directors, general managers, head of the departments, commandant CISF, representatives of the Steel Executive Association, trade unions, SC/ST Association, OBC Association, WIPS, President and Vice President members of VMS, award winners and their families, my dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. I take great pride and pleasure in conveying my warm greetings to all of you on the 38th formation of our company. And it is a day to reckon with and to commend the indomitable spirit, courage, conviction, and commitment of our INL collective, which has been our fountain of inspiration. On this auspicious day, let us rededicate ourselves to work together with utmost discipline and devotion to take the company to higher horizons of growth and prosperity. At the outset, I would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to all the award winners and their family members that they would serve as the catalyst for promoting an inspirational culture across the organization. I also take this opportunity to offer my special compliments to 5 employees of ES&F department for begging the Biswakarma Rashtriya Puraskar for the project refurbishment of a torpedo ladle car.
We please have a big round of applause for the JN awardees. Keep the applause coming, please. It shows our true spirit. Shri Ramamurthy Sir, Senior Manager Electrical from BF Department. Please give a huge round of applause for the sir. Next, can we have Mr. Naveen Kumar B, Assistant General Manager Operation from BF Department. A huge round of applause everyone, please. Next we have Mr. Kumar Gautam, Manager Mechanical from BF Department. A huge round of applause, please. Next we have Mr. Ramesh Manda, Manager Electrical from CME Department. A huge round of applause for Mr. Ramesh ji. Next, Shri Sheikh Hussain ji, Assistant General Manager CMM. A loud cheer, please. Next, we have Shri Ramesh Babu B, who is absent. He is Deputy General Manager and CO and CCP. May we have a huge round of applause for Ramesh ji. Next.
Sorry, sir. Okay, Mr. Ramesh ji is on the stage. May I request? Next we have Shivaji Babu S, Deputy General Manager Electrical, CON CCP. Next we have Balachandra Allanki, Senior Manager Operations, CON CCP. A huge round of applause, everyone. Yeah. Next we have Balamurli Krishna and Senior Manager Construction. A huge round of applause, everyone. Okay. Next we have Vamsi Ram D from Construction Department. He's Assistant General Manager Electrical.
Congratulations, sir.
A huge round of applause, everyone. Next we have Sri Srinivas Rao CH, Senior Manager Staff, Corporate Office. A huge cheer, please. Next we have Kundan Shukla, Manager EMD. Please call upon to the dais Sri Gaurav Orain, Assistant Manager Mechanical, ES&F. A huge cheer, everyone. Next, JVSS Sai Prasad, Senior Manager, F&A. Next we have Srimati P. Sneha, Manager HR. May we have a huge round of applause for Sneha ma'am. Next we have Sri P. Lokesh, Manager INSV. A big round of applause, everyone. Next we have Srimati Lakshmi Addanki, Senior Manager IT and ERP. A huge round of applause, everyone.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Next, Sri Vikram Rao P, Manager Mechanical from LMM Department. A huge round of applause. Next, we have Kumari, Shraddha Kumari, Manager MM Department. A huge round of applause for Kumari ma'am. Next we have Sri Rajiv Ranjan, AGM Marketing. A huge round of applause, please. Next we have Purushottam Babu P, Manager Marketing. A huge round of applause, everyone, please. Next, NP Raju, MT Marketing. A huge round of applause, everyone. Next we have Srimati Padma Shri M, Assistant Manager Nursing from Medical. A huge round of applause for ma'am. Next we have